Running a business in today's world, customer experience is essential. Consumers truly only want a few things: a great job, the right price, and easy communication. However, many businesses are still calling their customers to assure job satisfaction or schedule appointments. Leaving voicemails just doesn't cut it anymore to thrive in today's market. Let's show you just how powerful texting your customers can really be. Just look at the data. Americans send around 26 billion text messages every single day. When asked about it, over 67% of people said they would rather text with a business about appointments and scheduling than by email or phone. This translates into some serious business growth. SMS strategy for business grew 197% from 2015 to 2017 and is expected to grow by 20% annually until 2025. Text messages have a 98% open rate and a 209% higher response rate than a phone call, email, or Facebook messaging. These are efficiencies no business can afford to go without. Efficiencies that Chatavise will allow you to master. Chatavise is a scaled customer communication solution that leverages the power of texting to save you up to 2 hours per day and create long-lasting bonds with your customers. Communicate with your customers the way they prefer with the help of Chatavise's powerful, affordable text messaging and online review platform capabilities. Turn your company's website into a powerful lead generator with our web chat widget. Convert potential buyer questions to book jobs. Gather quick and effective feedback on your products and services with our simple-to-use, even simpler to understand customer satisfaction screening. Mitigate negative customer experience with our apologies and acknowledgements instant feedback templates, including an advanced autoresponder that will reach out to clients as soon as they hit send. By using our sounding board, address any issues before a negative review goes public. This is a screening tool where customers can send feedback directly to your team before sharing their frustration on Google or Facebook. With Chatavise's Chats and Reviews page, as well as our easy-to-use templates for texting and reviews, your team can now manage all customer touchpoints in one place. No more clogged phone lines, no more missed complaints. One of Chatavise's killer features is the ability to get team members involved through our rewards system. Assign points and payroll bonuses, and decide earning commissions for your best-performing customer service agents, which you can always see ranked on our leaderboard feature. Enhance customer experience through tracking links, powered by our quick live GPS tracking service. Track surveys as well as the performance of your competition, and gauge your company's standing on the market. Boost your customer service and skyrocket the effectiveness of your text-based communication now with a 30-day free trial of Chatavise. Or speak to us at chatavise.com to learn more.